So in this video, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna replace the hood cable with a longer one for my JDM front end. And here is the part number for this hood cable. This came out of a EG Civic, I believe, and I'll put the part number in the description below. And here is the USDM Integra cable. And as I put this cable next to the USDM cable, this is longer because it actually, on the EG Civic, it actually wraps and comes back that way. So I'm gonna take this cable, this new cable, off this bracket. It's similar to the Integra, but it has this cover on it, which I could pop off the cover, but just to make it easier, we'll just pop off the cable. Okay, we'll do the same thing with the Acura. So next thing I'll do here is I will feed the new cable in. Okay, with the new cable installed onto the existing Acura hood latch puller, go ahead and install it. Okay, after everything's put back together, we're just gonna run this cable how it was before. And here I'm just gonna push this grommet back in, weather grommet. It's all put back together. Let's see how this works. This cable, I would say, works great. A little bit long, but it will work. If you liked this video and found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you know someone that has a JDM front end that needs a cable, please share this video. Thank you for watching.